guys, I'm here with Cars with Rap and Big J, and I'm getting my car straight pipe right now, and I'll hit y'all guys when it gets off the thing. When I got the car on the lift, finna get some new dual tips right now. So I'm finna get the mufflers, the resonator, and then new tips. So I'll catch up when it gets.
Part right there.
That's a big ass difference. You got some big ass difference.
Morning with y'all boys, man. It's the next day of getting my straight pipe, so we're gonna hear a little cold start. Boys, so I'm about to go be devious as fuck at school right now. I'm about to go rev all day, make all these pops, you know. But I'll catch up boys when I get to school, man.
With Melo's white tee.
Melo Gallery. Melo Gallery.
Look at the 3-inch. You got the 3-inch tips as well. Them else was like little dick ass. This is so tough.
All right, y'all boys. We're on the way to the tint shop right now. You know, I'm finna just get vibes all the way. No, I'm saying, but I'm finna go get my car tinted right now, and then I'll get with y'all guys probably in Rav's car. I ain't gonna lie. I'll probably get to y'all guys in Rav's car. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all at the tint shop. Alright, y'all boys, we made it to the tint shop. You know, paid already. 420i tinted, you know what I'm saying? See the Eco over there? 420i, both 4-cylinder. You know, 4-cylinder boys, but we got the best 4 cylinders in the game. You know what I'm saying? But it's gonna get tinted, so I'll catch y'all when it's done.
Oh, yo, that shit's tough. Yeah, look, bro. That shit's tough. That shit is tough. Oh, shit. That shit's tough, bro. Oh, my.
What's going on, guys? We're gonna do a cold start comparison. So, let's get right into it. Me first, here you go.
He beat you. He beat you already.
You ready for that?
That GT. Your shit tough.
That's cold start.
That's cold start? Alright. Hear my shit. Hear my shit.
Should I turn mine off? So you can hear yours? Alright, now we got
Ready?
Cars with Rap, yeah.
Shut up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118,
that's our co-star so far. 4 cylinders. But it's alright.